Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, she almost got the camera. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Are you one?
Oh my goodness.
She's one.
She's on sugar high. She will definitely need another bath. Chocolate baby.
Oh, smile. Say cheese.
Spacing out. Is she like on a sugar overload night? Trance. She's watching basketball.
Oh.
She's in a sugar trance for sure.
Oh. Wow.
Smile,
Okay.
maybe she had enough.
Are you okay?
Tori, I think she might have. That might have been like a small seizure or something. Now she's smiling. Tori, she was. Yeah, she was stuck.
Hi. Hi.
Tori had to snap her out of it. She went.
Hi. Boo. 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 Oh.
Yeah, she was. Is that good ice cream?
Has she never had like treatment?
Not a lot. No, this is the first time she's had. So definitely a shock.
This is the first time she's had cake.
This is, well, she's had like little bites, but this is the first time she's had a lot.
She might, yeah. Is she making the pooping face?
Hi. Hi. Are y'all done? Y'all done?
He's finger painting.
Are y'all done?